Hey guys, Brett here, and let me ask you a quick question. What do Todd Gross, Mario Brown, Ankur Shukla, Neil Napier, Sam Becker, and dozens of others have in common? Well, it's not that they're top product vendors in the internet marketing space, because they are, but what I'm really talking about is the fact that every single one of them has released a product that I've publicly told people they shouldn't buy after I tested it myself. You see, when I first got started in the internet marketing business over a decade ago, I realized that most of these people that are supposedly doing product reviews aren't actually reviewing products. They're not actually testing it in depth. They're not actually using it themselves. What they're doing most of the times is just maybe a real quick demo. Maybe they're just showing a demo that was provided by the vendor. Sometimes they'll do an interview where they don't actually use the product. They just interview the vendor. More and more often, what they're really doing is just reading the sales page and the sales copy, which is kind of silly. It doesn't actually help people out at all. You see, the truth is that these people that call themselves product reviewers aren't actually product reviewers. They're just pitchmen. The only thing they care about is hyping up the product so that way people will buy and they can earn an affiliate commission. Now, I'm not going to lie. I like earning affiliate commissions when I endorse a product. I'm no different than anybody else. I want to make money too. But the honest truth is that I will not tell people a bad product is good just to earn an affiliate commission. Earning affiliate commissions is nice, but my ultimate goal is to help people make an informed purchase decision. For years, I was a software developer, and I have the eye for detail that lets me find bugs in software incredibly quickly. Also, quite frankly, I don't give a shit what all these product vendors think of me. So if they get pissed off because I tell the truth and point out all the bugs in their software, I don't care. My goal is to help the actual customers, to help people invest their money wisely so that they can build up a successful business. Now, a lot of people are out there saying they're product reviewers. You're going to find them on YouTube. You're going to get emails from them. And the truth is, most of those people only care about one thing, about getting your money. If you want to get honest product reviews from the only person in this space that is just enough of a jerk to tell the truth, go ahead, sign up below so you can get notice of future reviews that I do. My reviews point out the good in products, they point out the bad in products, and they tell people if I wouldn't buy it. Because if I wouldn't buy it, I shouldn't be expecting other people to buy it too. Now, I don't want to insult anybody, but I'm pretty sure that most of the people watching this video who have bought internet marketing products have bought bad internet products and wasted some money. I don't want to see you waste your money again. I want to see you buy things that are actually going to help you in your business. And this is why I do these brutally honest product reviews, regardless of how it makes the vendors feel. A lot of them actually are pretty bad at me. Some of them won't even talk to me again, but I don't care. That's not my goal. My goal isn't to help them. My goal is to help you. So sign up below, and I will see you on my next review. Thank you, and enjoy.